Hello students, in this video we'll be solving the important questions from Quadratic Equation chapter for Karnataka board. The three questions will be discussed in this video and all those are very important. The equation may change in exam but the concept, the steps remains all the same. Remember, just get perfect in this kind of a problem. I'm sure you will be able to pass out in a board exam. Let's solve without wasting much of the time. The first question, they're asking you to find out the zeros of the polynomial. The first one is very simple. They're asking to find the zeros of the polynomial. How to find out? So, do whatever, you have to split the middle term. And how to get split the middle term means by adding, we had to get minus 7x, and by the product, we had to get 12. That is what the method you have to apply. Okay. So, factor 12, let us find out. So what are the factors for 12? I guess you may be knowing there is 4, 3 is a factors is nothing but 12 कौन से table में जाता या table लेंगे उत्तर 12 4 3 is okay. So if I add it 4 plus 3, I'll be getting 7, but I'll not get minus, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this both the numbers as what? Negative. That means minus 4 minus 3 will give me minus 7, and for both you can give it as what? X. Here actually we are multiplying x square into 12, we'll be getting 12x square and 1x for 4, 1x for 3. So minus 4x minus 6, we're gonna get it as what? Minus 7x. Just substitute in your x equation. That is x square minus 7x plus 12 is your x equation. So x square we're gonna write down as it is minus 7x. In the place of middle term, we're gonna substitute which are those two terms. We got it minus 4x and minus 3x, and the last term plus 12 as it is equal to 0. Okay. So take out a common from the first term. First ಎರಡು term ನಾಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? X is common. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? X minus 4. From the last term, what is common? Minus 3 is common. Remaining is what? X minus 4. Why 4? 3 4s are 12 is equal to 0. What is common? The common factor is x minus 4 and remaining factor is x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. I'll be getting one of the root as a 4, and one more factor x minus 3 is equal to, I'll be getting as what? X is equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, the roots of 4 comma 3. These are our roots. Okay. This was asked for the 2 mark, recent board exam, last year board exam. So let's go with the next problem. It is of the same kind, little bit different one. This one they're asking to find out the k value. Which value? K value they're asking us to find out, but they give some condition. One of the zeros is one more than the other zero. One more than the other zero. So how are we gonna find out? Okay, you know it very well. To find out the zeros, we're gonna use it sum formula and product. That is alpha plus beta. And one more is alpha beta. This is product formula. This is alpha plus beta sum formula. Okay. So now to find out the k value, they give one condition. One of the zero. One of the zero. Let us consider alpha. Let alpha be x. Let alpha be x. Correct. Then beta will be what? Then beta will be x plus 1. They are saying one more than the other. If one of the member has a 10 rupees, another will be having what? 11 rupees, because he is having one extra. So I took it alpha as a x, then beta will be x plus 1. Okay. So we know alpha plus beta some formula, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. From our question, let us identify a, b, c value. Our question, polynomial standard equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a value is 1, b value is minus 5. From our question, b value you can see it is minus 5. C value is k. That is what we have to find out. Alpha we took it as a x, beta we took it as a x plus 1 minus b value is what? This minus I'll be writing as it is. B value I shall submit minus 5 by a value is what? 1. x plus x 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 minus 1. Transfer this plus 1 to the right hand side, we get it minus 1. So 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2, x is equal to, we got it as what? 2. That was our x value, but we are going to find out what? We're going to find out k value, right? So there is one more alpha beta, product form. That is alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha value we know, we got it as what? 2. Because we took it x as what? Alpha. Correct? Yeah, obviously. And beta is what? X plus 1. So beta, what we get it? 2 plus 1. We will get it as what? 3. So alpha we already got it. 2. Beta we get it. 3 is equal to C value is what? Is K divided A value is what? 1. So 2 3 is 6 is equal to K. So finally therefore K is equal to 6. Okay, I hope so you have been clear with the solution. Let's go with the next one, the last one. The very important one, this kind of question compulsory will be asked. Remember, the equation, quadratic equation may change, but the top method, everything remains the same. Okay, let us solve it. P of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. First, let us find out the roots. Okay, let us find out what roots. How to find out the root itself? By separating the middle term. So by sum we had to get it 3 and by product we had to get it minus 10. Remember. So 10, which table? The same thing first and last we gonna multiply, we get it 10x square. We know it goes in 5 table. 5 2s are 10. So 5x and 2x I gonna take it and I gonna write as a 5x minus 2x because I should get my middle term. My middle term is what? 3x. Okay, so x square I'll be writing as it is. In the place of middle term, I'll be substituting 5x minus 2x, last term minus 10 as it is. Take out a common, x is common, remaining is x plus 5 minus 2 is common, x plus 5. Okay, so finally x plus 5 of x minus 2 is equal to 0 is remaining. Let us find out the x value. X plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, we get it minus 5. One more root is x minus 2 is equal to 0. We'll get x is equal to 2. Let us consider alpha as minus 5 and beta as what? 2. Okay. Here they are saying to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Zeros and the coefficient. Okay, remember. So let us find out first the coefficient. It is alpha plus beta using some formula and one more is product formula. Okay, alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a. Product formula is c by a. We got it here alpha is what? Minus 5. Beta is what? 2. And here from the question, let us take out a value. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 10, obviously. So, minus B value is what? 3 divided by A value is what? 1. Okay. So, in the left hand side, as you can see, minus 5 plus 2 will get it as what? Minus. Right hand side, minus 3 by 1, we can write as what? Minus 6. So, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so zeros and the coefficient both are the same. Let us verify using the product formula once again. Alpha value is minus 5, beta value is what? 2. C value we know that is minus 10 divided by A value is what? 1. So minus 5 and 2 we get it is minus 10 is equal to right hand side also we got it as minus 10. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we verified zeros and the coefficient. This question is compulsory. Okay, the question may be little bit different, but the methodology will be the same. Remember, kindly practice this kind of a problem using different exams. Okay, so that's it from this video. Kindly share it within your friends and don't forget to like and share and even subscribe. Thank you.